And watch what happens again. See that finishing C position there, right? That's step one. His hands come up. He moves them under his face. I'm holding his fingertips, and he rolls his right knee. Okay, hold his right shoulder. Take this hand, puts his right hand over his butt. You should feel very little pressure on this. Then he snaps his hips, and he comes up, right? Notice his hand, he's demonstrating out with his hand. All right, then I get my right foot clear from the possible impact with the bottom, and I say snap your hips. And it gives a person to feel real life how that paddle feels. Right? You want to check for nose plugs with your guests. Okay, let's move the paddle in place. Snap his hips. Notice I'm holding the paddle in the correct position. Something we do.